Hello everyone, we're here in Encino today. We just completed a beautiful job. This is a double sliding gate with a pedestrian gate. We have a doorbird here with a double relay which allows you to open both the pedestrian gate remotely and also the sliding gate. This is all aluminum, powder coated. It has a nice motor right here, very quiet. This is a rack and pinion system. This is also a little bit of a challenge to get these gate open at the same time in case you have to. And as you can see, the tracks are basically a dual action track here because both have to be able to open at the same time. And so that one track is on that side and one track is on this side, so they don't interfere when they do both open. This came out really beautiful. Here's the inside view. Unfortunately, I don't have the remote. I already turned it in with the other gate over there. But here's another view here. Well, there you have it. We have another beautiful job here. And thank you for watching.